How to delete multiple parts of the video that you are editing with YouCut Video Editor app. So let's just say you have a video you're editing at the moment and you want to remove certain parts of the video. So we'll first want to go ahead and pay attention to the bottom section here where this orange bar is. You're going to use this orange bar to insert your splits. So for example, I want to remove from perhaps here to maybe right here, a small portion. So this is my starting point of where I want to remove. So I'll tap on the video timeline here like this, and you'll notice this will appear. When you do this, you will see the split tool. When you tap on split, that's going to insert your first split. So now let's say I want to delete from here to maybe here, this little small part here. We'll bring over the timeline again. And while it's like this here, you'll insert your second split. Now I have myself a small separation of the video. So I'll tap here just to show you, and you'll notice that there is this little separation right here. So this is the part I want to remove. Now to remove it, I'll tap between the two splits like this. And you'll notice these tools will appear here, and you're going to look for the delete option, this one right here. When I tap on it, it's going to remove that part. So now I have removed that small part of my video. Now let's say there's another part I want to remove. So we'll go down some more on the timeline, going to the right. And I realize now that maybe I wanted to delete another part in this video here. So I want to remove from here to maybe here. And you can also use the minutes and the seconds to know exactly where you are of your video. So for example, this is the 6th second of the video. I want to remove from the 6th second to perhaps maybe like the 9th second. So again, wherever the orange bar is, I'll tap on the video timeline like this. And when I tap on split, this is the starting point of where I want to remove. And then I'll bring it over by holding onto the white area onto 9 seconds, around that. And I'll press split again. Okay, so make sure your split goes in. You'll see this here. And then you'll bring it back like this. And you'll look for the separation, which is right here. Now, when you see the separation once again, you'll tap on it like this one time. And these tools will appear. And you press delete. And you just repeat this until you have removed all the parts of your video that you don't want, and then you can save it as it is. Okay, and that's that. Like and sub.